given regular expression. So what we could have done, we could have first created an NFA with epsilon moves. Then that NFA with epsilon moves, from that NFA with epsilon moves, we could have converted it to NFA without epsilon moves, and then from NFA without epsilon moves to DFA. So instead of these many steps, we are trying to make use of a process called as subset construction, which is mostly used by compilers internally, okay, to simplify the problem. Okay, so what happens is like whatever the regular expression given to you, you first suppose this is a regular expression given to you. You try to first convert or create an NFA with epsilon moves the way that it is shown over here. And later stage, you would be really addressing by numbering them properly, then proper age label to be added, and directions are to be added. Now I could see that what are the submission that you have completed for yesterday's case. Okay, most of you haven't added the directions as well as labels are missing. Initial state is missing. Final state is not shown. So this may like if you don't write that here, ultimately you would be losing some marks. Like suppose you don't write this, you don't know, you might be writing this, but you have to specify that 0 is your initial state. Similarly, for your final state too, you have to strictly specify which is your final state. Fine. So what exactly you do is first stage is what? So first of all, what are the regular expression given to you? You try to construct an NFA with epsilon moves like this, and then you compute epsilon closure of initial state. So what are the epsilon closure means what? The states which can be reached directly or indirectly with epsilon. So that's what we computed 0, 1, 2, 4, 7 and 8. And that's why we gave name label to this set as A. We created Q dash where we added that A there. We started marking that A. So we said mark A. So we are working as in a loop. So if you think of, you can definitely write this as an algorithm. Correct. So mark A for input A. Now for every input that is available here in given regular expression, you have to work with this. For every input, compute T. Now this T is computed in such a way that try to find out from which of these states there is a transition with input A. So you can identify that there is 2 and there is 8, which is part of this set. So whatever the state that they are going to, you add those states here. Then compute epsilon closure of it, and then like if you have more than one state, then epsilon closure of each state is to be taken, and then union of it is to be written in the complete epsilon closure of this T. So you compare this one with earlier. If this is new, add one name to it. So we give B, so we added it here. Similarly, do the same process for your input B. So you got this epsilon closure, you compare this one, you give C. So you added it here. Now all inputs are over, then you work with mark other state and repeat this process. So when you done with all states are marked, no state is remaining. Now no new state is arising over here as in a part of solution. Then you stop your construction and then you say that this is your Q dash. Now try to draw the transitions like for A, from A, whenever you give input A, it goes to B. That's what I drawn for A, B, C, D, and E. Correct. And then you label them wherever the initial state is in which whatever the set. Like first, always you will see that if you give names like this to the states, your A would be always initial state. Okay, and your final state is to be written in such a way that if your say the final state where whatever the set that it occurs in, so in this case it is occurring only in this 13, correct? So you are going to take it there. So this is how you are going to construct subset construction. I hope now it is clear. So let me take another example. I will pick the example, same as one of the example which I have given you as an homework perspective. So I will take this one, AB, A plus B star. Fine. And we already have this drawn there, correct? AB and then AB. I'll be adding these copies as well. So let me write it. So the example that we are working is with AB, A plus B star. Fine. Now what you do, you try to write first A. This is A. This is B. Now first of all, write A. Write B. This is A plus B. This is A plus B star. So you are label directions. Okay, directions are to be added. This would be your final. This would be your initial. This is A, this is B, epsilon, 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 A, epsilon, 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 epsilon. So let us give numbers to the state. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Can somebody tell me what is to be done now? What would be the first step? First step is yes. First step is
Closure of 0.
epsilon closure of initial state. So instead of 0, we will say we have to compute epsilon closure of initial state. So let us compute. What is epsilon closure of 0?
0 only.
Very good. So this is new set for us. So you give name as A. So we will add Q dash here. Correct. So A is added. Fine. Okay. Now mark A. Input A. What is T? A is 0, na? So for input A, what is T?
0 and 1.
1.
No, why 0 and 1? We are not computing epsilon closure of 0. We have to take only 1. You have to see from the states that are appearing in this set to which states there is a transition from either of these states appearing in this set. So from 0 we are going to 1 with A. That's why 1 is to be added. Now compute epsilon closure. What is epsilon closure of T? Epsilon closure of 1.
1, comma 2.
Very good. 1, 2. So is this different? Yes. So give name it to B. So add B here. Fine. Now input B. What is T? From 0, do we have any B transition?
No.
So this would be 5. Correct. So mark A is done. So now mark B. Input A. What is T? What is B now? B is 1 and 2. What would be T for A? From 1, do we have any transition with A? No.
No.
Correct. From 2, do we have any transition with A?
No.
Yes.
That's why 5. No, why? You said somebody said yes. We don't have. We have a transition from 2 to 3 with B, but not A. Correct. So input B. What would be T now? We have 1, 2. From 1, 2. Is there any B transition from 1 or 2?
Yes, sir.
It is going
3.
to 3. Very good. So what is epsilon closure of 3? Now go on. Let us write 3 first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and then 11. Correct? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 11. Am I right? Check it.
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 11. So this is C. So you have to C here. So mark now C. Input A. What is T? What is T?
Seven.
So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 11. So there are only two transitions from 3 onwards, from 6 with A and from 8 with B. So that's why this A, correct? So this A means what? 7. Very good. What is epsilon closure of 7? Means epsilon closure of T. Now 7 is here. 7, 10, 11, then 5, 6, 8, correct? Because it is coming back. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what it would be? 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So this is new one. So that's why see 5, 6, 8, 7, 10, 11. So this is added. Input B. What is T?
9.
9. So what is epsilon closure of T? See your solutions. You must have drawn this diagram. Na? What would be epsilon closure of 9? So 9.
5, 6,
Yes, 5, 6.
7,
No,
9, 10,
नाही
11.
7 7 कसा येईल 7 कसा येईल
8.
5 6 8 9 10 11 करेक्ट 7 नहीं आएगा ना because
Yes.
we are having
Okay.
so 5 6 8 9 10 11. So this is again different. That's why it is E added here. So mark now D. Input A. T equal to D is what? 5 6 7 8 10 11. What this would be?
7.
7.
7. Very good. Have we computed actually T equal to 7 epsilon closure? Here.
Yes, sir.
Correct. It goes to state D. So write D. That means what? Is it going to be self loop? From D with A, it will be self.
Yes.
Correct. Input B. Now what is T? Input B. What is T? 5 6 7 8 10 11. 9. Have we computed this T already?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which state?
Yes.
E.
E.
E. Very good. So we already done with D now. Now mark E. Input A. T. This is your E. So what would be T? We have 6 here, correct? So
7.
So this would be equal to D, correct? Fine. Input B. Compute T. Yes.
9.
Input T. Sorry,
9.
9.
it would be 9 because from 8 it is going to 9. So and we have a 8 here, correct? So 9 means what?
E.
E. Is there any state remaining now which is not marked?
No.
So done. So your construction should stop here, correct? Now you have to draw the transitions. So let us draw it. A. From A, for B there is no transition, but for with A it goes to B. Fine. Okay. Now from B, there is no transition with A, but with B, there's a transition to C. Correct? Now from C, there are two transitions to D and E. Okay. From D, there is a self loop, and it is going to E. Correct? And from E, with A it goes here, and there is a self loop. Correct? Now let us draw this. Let us write this. So for C with A, B, with A, B. Correct? Am I right? See this diagram? Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now initial state is
A.
A. Now which was the final state in the NFA? 11. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
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 Which sets
Yes,
are
sir.
containing 11?
C, D, and
C, D, E.
C, D, and E. That's why all of these are final. Fine. Now, how will you check whether your answer is correct or not? So if I write AB, A plus B star. So first string would be AB with this to be epsilon, correct? Then suppose ABA, ABB, ABAB, ABA, correct? All possible combination of A plus B star, but it should start with AB continuously. So if I take AB, AB, is it reaching to final? Yes. ABA, AB, ABA. Is it reaching to final? Yes. So this is also done. ABA, ABB, ABB reaching to final. ABAB, ABAB final. ABA, ABAA. So it will accept all strings. Understood now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, pretty easy. This subset construction is. Can you write that algorithm? Anyway, you have to write it later in a textual form, the way that you wrote the earlier assignment for comparison method. Fine. So let me take one more example, which would be a bit complicated. So let me pick the one. I assume. Okay, let me take another one. So now you guide me. Okay. So AB star plus B star A, ABA, A star. Okay. How many states do you think would be there? Can we predict that directly now? Maybe not. Fine, but let us try to draw it. So it is concatenation mostly with this to be plus. So let us first draw this. This is A. Now we have to talk B. So this is B. Correct? Epsilon, 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 epsilon. So this is AB star, correct? Now B star A. Now it is plus. correct? Now ABA. This is A, this is B, this is A. Epsilon, 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 A, epsilon, B, epsilon, A. Correct? Now this is epsilon. So A star. This would be your final. Fine. So let us label this epsilon, 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 epsilon. Do not forget the arrows and mentioning initial and final state. Okay. Now let us number this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I expect you to draw this on your page. Okay. And you have to guide me side by side. I will ask for any one of you. Okay. Who is going to help me out to compute. Okay. Draw this first at your end. Take a page, draw this. And I can abruptly ask anybody who is now in the class. And I will write their names here too, so that it will be known to me to whom I asked to solve. Fine. Draw this. Draw this diagram. अंकुश हो गया ड्रॉ करके?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will start. I'm starting with you. Fine. So tell me what is epsilon closure of 0?
So it is 0, 1, 7.
1 minute. Huh? 0, 1, 7.
Yes, sir. No, it is also 10.
8 भी आएगा ना साथ में?
Oh, yes,
8,
sir.
10, 11.
10,
Correct?
11. Yes, sir.
So this should be A. Fine. ठीक है, everybody with me? Mark A. Input A. Rohit Bhosle. What would be T?
Yes, sir.
What would be T for this set with input A?
One.
Carefully see that. 1 is added here, na? Which states we take? From these states, wherever there is a edge to other state, that state is to be added. So from 1, where it is going to?
2.
Huh? 2, correct? Okay, do you think any other state other than 2 also to be added for A? Now see, we added this one, correct? 2. But if you see, there is a transition from 11 to 12, and 11 is part of this. That's why 12 is also to be picked. Fine, correct? And these states are not, 14 is not here, so we cannot go further. So you have to compute this. Okay. Yeah. Jayesh Deshmukh, give me epsilon closure of 2 and 12. Jayesh, are you there? Jayesh. जयेश. Jisa, what would be epsilon closure of 2 and 12?
Sir, 2, 3,
Okay. Okay, go on.
6,
Hmm.
then 13,
And see, start
14.
from here. Start
Acha,
from here,
okay.
correct? So 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4. Epsilon is there, na?
Oh, yes, sir. 2, 3,
2, 3,
4,
4,
6,
6,
then
13,
13,
14.
14.
This is for
Yes, sir.
2. What would be epsilon closure of 12?
The same 13, 14.
12 भी
So it
आएगा
is.
ना?
Oh, yes,
12
sir.
will
Right. 12 also.
okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
let us write it. What it would be now? 2, 3, 4,
4,
6, 12,
13,
13 and
14.
14. Good, very good. So is this new? Yes. Mark it with B. Yeah. Akshay Deshmukh. अक्षय देशमुख. सारे देशमुख लोगों का माइक खराब है क्या?
नाही सर, आता मोबाईलवरून जॉईन केलंय. देशमुख
हा,
जयेश.
ठीक आहे. सांग मग, सांग. What would be input B? What would be T?
B.
For this set we are talking about. For this set we want
Okay.
for B. Yeah.
B. So for B, it will be from 1 second, sir.
Okay. Now let us try to see where are the B transitions from 4. Okay.
4
From
to 4,
8.
5 and
8.
9.
But 4 is not here, correct?
Yes.
Is 8 there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Where
So
it is
9.
going? 9. You cannot include others because they are not part of this. So 9 would be done.
Yes.
What is epsilon closure of T?
From 9.
Manisha?
10, 11.
Okay. So first of all, when you are computing epsilon closure of 9, okay. So that state is to be included, correct? Am I right, Manisha?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So you have to include 8 too because we are having backward transition. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Fine. Is there anything remaining? No. So that's why this would be C. Sanjot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have to talk about B. Mark B. Now this means that means this set. Okay. What would be in T for A? So we have 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 13, 14. 2, 6,
15.
12, 13, 14. So 15. Correct?
15. Yes,
Only
sir.
15 would be there, correct?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Okay, good. What is epsilon closure of 15?
15, 16.
15 and 16. Very good. So is this new? So that's why
Yes, sir.
give name it to D.
D.
Yeah. Kunal Shinde. Kunal.
Yes, sir.
For input B for this set, what would be T? 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 13, 14. So 4. 4 is there, correct?
Yes, sir.
14 is there, but there is no B. So what this would be? What would be T?
4.
नहीं, no, 4 नहीं आएगा. 4
Five.
यहाँ पर है ना, so
5.
5 would be there ना. हाँ, confusion नहीं करायचं बिल्कुल. only 5 will be there. Why?
There is a transition from 4 to 5.
Yes, and this 16 is not part of here. 8 is not part of this. That's why we will not consider that. So what is epsilon closure of t? 5चा epsilon closure सांगा.
4, 5,
4,
6,
5, 6.
13, 14.
Very good. Done. Correct? So this would be new. That's why E. Okay, now I'm taking mark C. Let me ask somebody else. Anushka?
Yes, sir.
What is T for this set? 8, 9, 10, 11. Eight, 9, 10, 11 for input A. Yes.
12.
Only 12. Correct? Only 12 would be there.
Yes, sir.
What is epsilon closure of T?
13. 12, 13,
Okay, 12, 13.
14.
Very good. Is this new? So F.
Yes.
Nivedya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So input B.
Sir, will it be empty?
Input B. We have input C. Na? 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Na?
So 9.
Very good. So what this would be?
9. So it will be C. Epsilon closure of it will be C.
Means it would be self loop. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now mark D. This is the D. 15, 16. Okay.
Sir.
Let me ask. Yeah.
Just a confusion. Sir, in mark C, A part, will we not include 15 and 16 as well because they are having A and epsilon?
Sorry. Let me check. What was C? 8, 9, 10, 11. Na? This one you are talking about, na?
Yes, sir. And for its A part, yes, sir.
A को अगर 8, 9, 10, 11 है ना हमारे पास सिर्फ. अगर हम 8,
तो सर
9, 10, 11 हाँ.
सर वो तो ठीक है 12 हो गया देन उसके बाद जो क्लोजर हमने बनाया है तो सर 12, 13, 14, 15 एंड 16 भी
नहीं
इंक्लूड कर
वो नहीं, वो कैसे आएगा? यहाँ पर ए है ना बीच में, यहाँ पर एप्सिलॉन नहीं है ना.
सर ए का भी तो हम लेते हैं ना.
नहीं 12 का लेंगे ना हम सिर्फ एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर यहाँ पर.
ठीक है ओके थैंक यू सर.
कंफ्यूजन मत करो क्योंकि अगर आप एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेट ऐड करते हो ना पूरा सॉल्यूशन आगे खत्म हो जाएगा. ये मतलब ये एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सोचो उसके बारे में.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, क्लियर?
यस सर थैंक यू.
ओके गुड. चिन्मय, mark D 15 16. What is for A?
फाइव आएगा क्या सर? 5.
Yeah. What is B?
और B it is 17.
17. Okay. Epsilon closure of T.
So for A is 5, so it will be empty as well. And
Yeah, it would be empty. 17 का epsilon closure.
for 17 just 18. 17
Just
and 18.
18. Okay. So this would be E F G. Fine. ठीक है? Okay, चलो आगे लेते हैं. ऋतुजा. So we are done with this. A B C D हो चुका है.
Yes.
Mark E. Your E is this. 4, 5, 6, 13, 14. Input A के लिए बोलो T क्या आएगा?
15.
4, 5, 6, 13, 14. 4, 5, 6,
14 to
13, 14. तो क्या आएगा? 15. Correct?
15. Yes,
This
sir.
would be. This
Which
would
is
be
already done. So D.
D. Very good. Input B ला सांग पुन्हा काईल. Same set. 4, 5, 6, 13, 14.
4 to 5 B.
which is 5, and which is already done. E.
So it is self loop, correct?
Yes, sir.
एक मैं ट्रिक बताता हूँ अभी सबको। अभी आपने देखा होगा जहाँ पे भी ऐसे स्टार करके आएगा ना, अभी ऐसे, तो आप यहाँ पर देखो तो ए के बाद जो भी स्टेट आएगा ना वहां पर लूप आना चाहिए। तो ए के बाद जब बी आ रहा है, बी के बाद जब भी हम जाएंगे, एक ए लिया, ए से बी को गए, बी से बी लेके जब जाएंगे, बी से बी लेके जब जाएंगे, ठीक है, जब हम उसको वर्कआउट करेंगे तो यू हैव टू सी, ओके, बिकॉज इट इज बी स्टार। सो ए से आए हम बी तक, करेक्ट? ओके, बी को अगर हम ए दे दिया ना, यहाँ पर ए का ए दे दिया, बी अगर देखते हैं तो क्या आएगा बी के बाद, क्योंकि इट वुड बी ए बी स्टार। तो जब भी स्टार होता है तो मैक्सिमम टाइम्स आपको दिखेगा कि सेल्फ लूप आ रहा है, मैक्सिमम टाइम्स। आई एम नॉट सेइंग एवरी टाइम, लाइक approximately every time you would be getting, but I'm not saying all the time. Most of the times you would be getting self loop. ठीक, ओके, चलो इसको छोड़ देते हैं। ये ई भी हो गया हमारा। अभी एफ, मार्क एफ, इनपुट है। लेट मी पिक somebody. समय?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is T for F? F is 12, 13, 14.
It's 15.
12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14. So कितना आएगा?
15.
15 है क्या पहले? Have we already computed 15?
Yes.
What it is?
D. Epsilon closure would be D.
Correct. Yes.
Yes.
Input B. चलो T बोलो. 12, 13, 14.
It's empty.
Very good. Mark G. Okay, let me pick somebody else now. So we are done with this. Okay, Siddhi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is T for G? This set 17, 18.
17, 18. So it's 19.
What is the epsilon closure of 19?
It will be 20, 21, 22, 23.
22 का साइल. See,
Achha,
we are
it's
here.
A.
So 19,
Okay.
20,
Sir, it
21
will
and
be 23.
23. Correct? So 19, 20, 21 and 23.
23.
Correct? So this would be
Yes, sir.
H, new one, correct? Yeah. So input
Yes.
B now.
For B, it will be 5.
Thumb. Navnath. Sorry. Pratik. For G, 17, 18. प्रतीक आवाज नहीं थे. प्रतीक आवाज नाही तुझा. Okay, Shubhangi. What would be T for G?
5.
5. Okay. Mark, now G is done. So new state is H. So mark H, input A. What is T? Okay. So yeah, Shubhangi, give me for A, this T.
5.
19, 20, 21, 23. 19, 20, 21, 23. This one.
23. Sorry,
Mid-work.
22.
Very good. What is the absolute closure of 22?
(22, 23).
Ajun?
21.
Reverse pan na? Yes. So 21, 22, 23. So HI. Now your new state, correct? Okay. Input B. T. Allad?
Yes, sir.
19, 20, 21, 23. Input B.
19, 20, 21. Okay, so input would be 5.
Okay, good. So mark I. सांग A करता T काय येईल? तूच सांग पुन्हा. 21, 22, 23.
So A करता 22 येईल.
So this would be same, correct?
Yeah.
It would be I.
Self.
Self, correct? And then done. I think we don't have for B. T would be empty.
Yeah.
Okay. So is there any remaining now? We already done with all, correct? Now let us try to draw the diagram. So I will draw it here. So probably let me add the screenshot first so that you would be able to see that. Okay, see the screenshot added in chat window, and you have to tell me how exactly I am going to draw the transition. I will ask the name, okay, appropriately. Then you are going to tell me this. Yeah. आता जे राहिले त्यांना घेतो मी. Alish, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay, so let us. You have to tell me from A.
Okay, so from A, there will be a transition to B with input A.
Okay, and
with transition B, it will go to C.
Okay, good, very good. Thank you. Yeah, then अक्षय आता झाला का माईक दुरुस्त? Sanjot? No, from B.
Yes, sir.
From B.
From B, there is a transition A to D. And transition B to E. From B to E, there is transition B.
This is A, this is B, correct?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, now Kunal Shinde from C.
Yes. Sir, there is a transition to F for A from C.
And
there is a self loop for B.
Very good. Okay. Rucha?
Yes, sir.
From D.
Hello.
From
D, there's the transition to G on input B.
Fine. Okay. Okay. From E.
From E to D on A.
And for B.
For B self.
Okay, good. Okay. Priyanka Sirsat. From F. Priyanka. Priyanka. सुचिता F से बोलो.
Sir, from F to D with transition A.
A, okay. F से एक ही आएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. G से बोलो अभी.
सर G से H with transition A.
H. ओके और H से बोलो अभी.
H से I for transition A.
और I से
I से सेल्फ लूप है फॉर ट्रांजिशन ए.
अभी फाइनल क्या क्या आएगा बोलो. इनिशियल क्या आएगा बोलो सुचिता. इनिशियल बोलो पहले.
यस सर. इनिशियल में 0 1 7 8 10 11 ए आएगा.
ओके रुको 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 अभी मैं किसी को और पूछता हूँ. ऐश्वर्या तू राहिलीस.
Yes, sir.
हा फायनल सांग कोणत्या कोणत्या येतील.
H and I.
Final is 23, correct? So 23 is included in these two,
H
correct?
and I.
H and I. So this would be final. This would be final. So this would be your DFA. Fine. So this is your expected answer. Fine. Okay. So समझ में आ गया? Now what you have to do is like what are the problems that I explained in the video which I shared yesterday on Moodle. I asked you to solve each and every example, though I solved it in the video. Some of you only submitted the 4 ones which are given to you other than the solved ones. So all solved ones, for all solved one except the 2 examples that I took. I assume I took A plus B star ABB. Okay, in the current today's shared video, and I took this one. और एक लिया था कोई. Let me see which one. Yeah, I took this one too. So except these two, what are the examples are there? So for each you have to solve it. Do not forget to write your name and roll number on every page. I could see that most of you like the number of views for the video are only 7. Okay, and number of solutions submitted are nearly 40. That means some of you must have forwarded the thing to your classmates. So don't do this. You have to solve it on your own. On every page you have to write your roll number and name. Okay, if I don't see, I will give 0 marks now. Fine. So you have to submit those problems by Friday evening. Okay, take your time. I'm going to add few more problems too. I'm going to add them. Fine. Okay. So this would be for this assignment would be for 10 marks. Okay. So see you on Saturday.
सर आजच्या व्हिडिओ आणि ह्या लेक्चर मधले सगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स ना फक्त